I can't believe this is the Ford-class, nuclear-powered aircraft carrier of the United States. It feels super invincible at close range. First of all, the Ford-class aircraft carrier is the latest generation of nuclear-powered aircraft carriers of the U.S. Navy. It is designed to replace the active 1 meter itself. It is the largest and most technologically advanced active aircraft carrier in the world. Haha. At this time, there must be many netizens who say that he is a mobile coffin at sea, and some people think that he is a mobile base at sea. One can destroy a small country like a flying monkey at any time. The first Gerald II Ford Risk 78 was put into service on July 22, 2017. The same class plans to build 10 ships, and the fleet has been updated by 2058. The core objective is to improve operational effectiveness and reduce lifecycle costs. Through a higher degree of automation, it is expected to save a lot of manpower over the 50-year service period. The 4G is similar in size to the Nimitz-class, but through a series of revolutionary technology implementations, it has a standby leap. It is about 337 meters long, displaces more than 100,000 tons at full load, uses 2 new AEB pressurized water reactors. The output power is higher than the Nimitz-class A4W reactor, and the power generation capacity enhancement is about 3 times. It provides the basic standard for a full key power system and carries about 75 types of carrier aircraft. Due to the high degree of automation, the number of sailors is reduced by about hundreds compared to the Nimitz-class. The most eye-catching 3 key technologies. First, the electromagnetic catapult system, designed to replace traditional steam catapults. The advantage is that it can more smoothly eject aircraft with a wider weight range, from light drones to heavy fighters, with shorter preparation times and theoretically lower maintenance requirements. Second, the advanced blue assembly also uses electromagnetic technology to recover carrier aircraft, aiming to reduce stress damage to the aircraft. Third, advanced weapons elevators are electromagnetically driven, which significantly improves the speed and safety of transporting ammunition compared to traditional elevators. The Ford-class aircraft carrier has begun to perform forward deployment missions and is a key node in the global power projection of the United States. The first Ford-class aircraft carrier completed its first combat deployment from May 2023 to January 2024. The area of activity includes Peking University, the Western Ocean, and the Mediterranean Sea. However, Ford G also faces multiple challenges of reliability, cost, and schedule in the process applying new technologies. First, after the Ford entered service, the failure rate of its electromagnetic, catapult, and advanced blue assembly has been higher than design expectations in U.S. Navy standards for a long time, which directly affects the dispatching efficiency of carrier-based aircraft.